Hey guys, today we'll see how can you create a blog for free. Now before we look into how to create a blog, let's see who can start blogging. If you desire to make money instantly, then blogging is definitely not for you because when it comes to online business in general, hard work and consistency they're very important. So only after a few months of your work you'll start generating a decent amount of income. So blogging and any other type of online business, it takes time to work. You'll have to be consistent and you'll have to work hard. Only then you can start making money out. The method that I am going to talk about is a free method. If you wish to create a more professional website, that is a more professional blog, then you can use hostinger.com as well. I've already uploaded a video on this, so if you wish to know how to create a hosting and domain using Hostinger, then do check out my video. I'll give the link in the description below. Now we'll see how to create a blog for free. The tool that we will use here is called Blogger. This is a free hosting platform provided by Google itself. So click on this first link and then on this box, create your blog. Once you select that, just log in using your Gmail account. So after you have signed in, it will ask you to choose a name for your blog. So for example, let's just put test blog and next. And here you must enter your domain name. So for example, test blog 12345 6 and click on next. And here you'll enter the name that you wish your audience to see. So let's just put the same thing here and finish. So this was the first step. Next, you must build your website. So for that, select themes here and this is what you'll get. So currently this is the theme of the website and you can change it if you want by selecting either of these options given here. So we'll just select this one and apply. If you want to see what your blog looks like, then you can click on view blog here. Now this is empty because we haven't added anything yet. So let's see how to add a post. Click on posts here and then on new posts. Then you'll get this page that looks like MS Word. Now here you must add the title of your post. For example, how to create a blog post. And this is where you will enter your content. Once that is done, just click on publish and there you go. Your article has now been published. So after this, you'll have to create something called pages. In the sense your privacy policy, your affiliate links, a disclaimer page and all such things. All these things, they must be approved by Google Ads. So for that, you'll have to create all the pages that I had mentioned. So for that, just click on pages and then on new page. So here you can give an about us page, contact us, disclaimer, privacy policy and terms and conditions. So here all the headings that I had mentioned, create a different page for each of these titles. And for privacy policy and disclaimer, you'll find a lot of templates available on Google. You can just customize them as per your needs and you'll be good to go. After that, just click on publish. And because I have done this only for a demo, this is how it looks. But when you make a blog of your own, just make sure that you create separate pages for all these titles. And for privacy policy and disclaimer, you'll find a lot of templates available on Google. Just customize them as per your needs and you'll be good to go. And of course, if you wish to add something else in your pages, you can do that as well. So once you've done all this, you must make sure that you are posting regularly on your blog. And my recommendation would be, after you are done creating 10 to 15 posts, you can apply for Google Ads. But how can you do that? So just click on earnings here and you'll see this connect Google AdSense. So through this you can apply for Google Ads. Now there are a few criteria through which you can get your Google Ads approved. So first, make sure that your posts are not copy pasted. It should be something that you have written on your own, and all the pages that I had mentioned, they must be there on your blog. And as I had mentioned earlier, try to have at least 10 to 15 posts before applying for Google Ads so that your chances of approval, they'll get higher. Of course, there's no limit of the number of posts that is given by Google to apply for Google Ads. It's just something that I would recommend. Apart from the things that I had shown you on the website, there are other things as well, like stats here. There's settings here so that you can customize as per your wish. And yeah, just try to explore all these other options so that you can try to build your blog better and make it look more attractive. So yeah, this is how you create a blog, guys. I've given you a basic outline of how to create a blog. Let me know in the comment section below if this video was helpful and what did you use to create a blog of your own. Before leaving, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.